What is the value of the expression 18 divided by 6 times open parenthesis 2 plus 1 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down step by step together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first add 2 plus 1 inside the parentheses, which gives them 18 divided by 6 times 3. And the next step, which I have highlighted in yellow, they multiply 6 by 3, which becomes 18 divided by 18. And finally, they get the answer 1. Then, without hesitation, they say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's completely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we go to the parentheses, since it has the highest priority compared to the other operations. So instead of this expression, we can write 18 divided by 6 times 3. In the next step, we need to evaluate this expression. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the equation and move up step by step toward the right. So, we first divide 18 by 6, which gives us 3 times 3. And finally, it equals 9. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.